Imagine cruising down the open road, the wind in your hair. But something crucial is missing. Do you know your bike's ideal RPM? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of motorcycle RPMs, where understanding this can transform your riding experience. The ideal RPM range for most motorcycles lies between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs, balancing power and fuel efficiency. But why is RPM so important? It affects how smoothly your bike runs, your fuel efficiency, and even engine longevity. Think of RPM as the heartbeat of your motorcycle. You wouldn't want it too slow or too fast, right? Knowing how to read and interpret your tachometer is crucial for managing your motorbike engine. Some motorcycles have a red line on their tachometers, indicating an engine speed you should avoid to maintain your bike's well-being. Ever heard of the Goldilocks zone? For motorcycling, this often lies between 2,000 and 3,000 revolutions per minute for cruising. A rule of thumb is to ride at half of your bike's maximum engine speed, which typically translates to 3,000, 8,000 RPMs. The excitement of throttling up often comes with the challenge of knowing when to shift gears. Most bikes perform well when you change gears between 4,500, 7,000 RPMs, so listen to your engine. Speed and RPM are two sides of the same coin. While upping the RPM can make you go faster, it also puts more strain on the engine. Want to unleash the full potential of your bike? Let's talk about power and torque. Understanding the dynamics of power and torque can significantly boost your bike's performance. Fuel is expensive, but maintaining an ideal RPM range can make your motorcycle more fuel efficient. Effective throttle control, proper use of the clutch, and smooth gear changes can help you maintain a balanced RPM range. Riding at the correct RPM can minimize the risk of engine failure, making your journey safer. Whether you're riding uphill or cruising on a flat highway, your ideal RPM range will vary. Staying within the ideal RPM range can actually prolong the life of your engine and reduce costly repairs. Your comfort and skill level as a rider should influence your RPM range. Different motorcycle types have distinct optimal RPM ranges due to their unique engine designs. Sport bikes perform best when ridden at higher RPMs, usually between 7,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Cruiser motorcycles generally operate best at lower RPMs, typically between 2,500 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Adventure motorcycles perform well in the mid-range, typically between 4,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. Touring motorcycles operate efficiently at moderate RPMs, usually between 3,500 to 5,500 revolutions per minute. Dirt bikes can operate effectively at higher RPMs, often between 6,000 to 9,000 revolutions per minute. Beginner riders should start conservative, keeping RPMs in the lower to mid-range of their bike's power band. Experienced riders can adjust their RPM usage based on riding conditions, terrain, and their specific motorcycle's characteristics. Environmental conditions like temperature, altitude, and wind can affect your motorcycle's performance and RPM management. Avoid common mistakes like lugging the engine, redlining regularly, and neglecting the tachometer. Riding a motorcycle is more than just the thrill of speed, it's a blend of art and science. So the next time you hit the road, remember that keeping a vigilant eye on those RPMs will make your journey not just exhilarating, but also efficient and safe.